Okay, so I'm getting ready to make my breakfast this morning. I'm getting ready to make some bacon, eggs, some spinach, and some avocado is what I'm having today. That meal will have lots of fat in it, which is going to give me energy. It's going to last me until the season. I'm only going to do 2 meals today. Okay, this is what I'm cooking this morning for breakfast. I'm going to have some strawberries. It won't be a lot, but I'm going to have at least a few strawberries. And I'm going to put these over here. I'm going to have some mild cheddar cheese, and I'm going to mix that in with my eggs. And I'm going to have some sausage with a little bit of spinach and some garlic mixed in. Some spinach and some garlic. And I'm also going to have an avocado this morning. So, you can see that's what I'm going to have for breakfast. I have my bacon, my eggs with cheese. I'm going to have an avocado and some spinach with some garlic and bacon. Okay, I'm going to mix these things up here, and then I will show you my breakfast when I'm done. Okay, here's my bacon, and I'm getting ready to start my eggs now. Okay, so I'm cooking my spinach now, and I usually just grab a fistful of spinach and just throw it in the pan. And to this, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a little bit of garlic, and some pepper. And I'm going to saute this and add it to my plate. Add a pinch of the Himalayan pink salt. Pepper. You guys season this to taste, and then I'm going to add some garlic. I'm going to mix this together. And then once you cook this spinach, you see that it looks like it's really not a lot, but that's a cup. And after you braise that, just add that to your plate. And as you can see, I use my bacon grease to cook my spinach in. And I'm going to add 2 eggs to this, along with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of cheddar cheese. Okay, as you can see, my eggs are cooking. I'm going to scramble these real good in the pan. Okay, as you see, I finished my breakfast. And here I have 2 sliced strawberries, 2 pieces of bacon. I have a cup of spinach with garlic sauteed. I have half an avocado and 2 eggs with some mild cheddar cheese. And this is going to be my breakfast this morning. As you can see, it looks like a full plate, but as you remember, I always use a saucer. So if you use a saucer to eat with, you're always gonna trick your mind into thinking that you're getting a lot of food. You're gonna feel like you're eating a lot of food too. This here is not a lot of calories at all. As a matter of fact, I will add up my calories after I put this into FitnessPal, and I'll let you know how many calories this is and how much fat it equals up to for me today. I've already had my apple cider vinegar for the morning. I took that when I first got up. So I'm fixing to get ready to sit down and enjoy this breakfast. I hope you're having a good meal too. Let's go.